Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add a new profile on Peacock TV account. To add a new profile on Peacock, first of all open a web browser and then type in peacocktv.com in the URL box and search. You will then end up in the main homepage of Peacock TV. If you haven't already, make sure you log into your account by entering your login credentials. Once you're signed into your Peacock account, go ahead and click on the profile avatar at the top right hand corner. This will take you to the Who's Watching page. In order to create or add a new profile, click on the plus button. On the next page, choose your avatar that you'd like to use as your profile picture. Select if this is a kid's profile or not. If not, click on No. If yes, select Yes. Enter your profile's name on the next page and click on the Next button. Choose 5 titles that you are interested in so that you can get better recommendations on Peacock. After you are done, click the Done button. Now, you will be able to sign into your new profile and you will also be recommended with contents that you made the previous selection for. You will be presented with a list of contents that matches your choice in the previous step. So that is how you can easily create and add a new profile on Peacock TV. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.